Hey Penny Pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous Penny Pincher, Shalobi, and today I am super excited to be participating in my very first collab of 2021, and it is the Spring Clean With Me collab hosted by the fabulous Bree of Bree's Project Book, co-hosted by the amazing Dream Team. Hey, what more can I say? My year is off to a great start in terms of collabs. This is a collab hop, and what that means is I will be leaving you a link in the description box below to one of my other Dream Team Sisters channels so you can head on over and check out more of their cleaning tips and best practices. And then she will leave you another link and so forth and so on. I think you got it. And by the end, you would have seen all of our cleaning videos. Okay guys, so today we'll be cleaning the dining room. So I'm gonna grab my cleaning caddy and let's clean away. Okay, so here's a look at the before, and this is a view from the kitchen, and this is its current state. Table doesn't look too bad. There's a random pillow over there. There are things on the floor right here because I was doing some change outs and trying to do some tablescapes, and so some of the items just got left right here. And this table down here, this is kind of like a utility cart, and this, honey, is a catch-all. So as I change stuff out, some of the items end up on here, then I move the cart out, I move it back in, and yeah. Okay, so my first order of business is to clear up the space. Get all Okay guys, now that we have everything cleared out, I'm going to start by cleaning the windows, and I'm just using Windex and some paper towel. Nothing.
Penny Pincher, glamorous, Penny Pincher, glamorous, Penny Pincher, glamorous, Penny Pincher.
If you notice, one of the methods to my cleaning is that I clean from the top down. A lot of people clean from the top down. So I do the windows, the chandelier, the wall art above the door, and now I'm getting lower. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my hand vac and I'm gonna vacuum my chairs just to get rid of any dust that may have fallen from like the chandelier and the other places, as well as any debris, glitter. That's always fun in this house. So I'm just gonna use this hand vac and try to get as much of that off the chairs as I possibly can. Let's go. Another thing that I like to do while cleaning is I use Lysol or any disinfecting wipes, and I use it to wipe the light switches or anything that we frequently touch in our home. For my table, I dust it first before I use the Windex to clean it off. After dusting, I then go in with my glass cleaner and my paper towel. And unlike the window, I do not spray the glass cleaner directly on the table. I spray it on the paper towel, and then I use it to clean the table. After cleaning with the glass cleaner, I then go in with a soft cloth and just basically buff the table. Okay guys, now we're moving even lower. If you've been with me for any amount of time, you would know that my table here is fairly new. I've had it about 6 months. Very beautiful, but yes, it takes a lot to clean the base of it. So for the base of my table, I use no chemicals at all. What I do is I just use a damp paper towel with just water, and I just use it to clean each section. This is a spot that my grandson just loves, so there are always fingerprints here. And after I do that section, I go in again with my soft cloth and I just buff it. Just like this. And it turns out absolutely sparkling and shiny. When it comes to the legs of the chairs, I use the same method as I do with the base of the table, which is to use a damp paper towel to clean the legs, and then go in with my soft cloth. Now we're gonna go ahead and clean the baseboards, right? This is the fun part. And what I do for the baseboards is I get a small basin with a clean washcloth, and I also use some kind of cleaner. In this case, I'm using Fantastic, and this one is, it powers through grease and grime. And that's good for the baseboards to keep them nice, white, and fresh. But before I do that, I usually go ahead and prep the carpet for vacuuming. And this is what I mean. I get a box of baking soda and I just sprinkle it all over the carpet and leave it there while I do the baseboards. And this is one way of helping to keep your room smelling fresh. You know, baking soda absorbs odors from your fridge, as well as other spaces in your home. Guys, I know you're probably saying, why are you adding the baking soda now? You already cleaned the base of the table. But that's okay, because once I finish everything, I just go back in and do a once over at the base of the table using my duster. Whew. Now after all that action with the baseboards, we are in the home stretch. Now let's just vacuum and steam these floors. For steaming the floors, I use a Bissell steamer. This is it right here. I think it's the Bissell PowerFresh. And let me just show you a couple features that it has. Now, I'm not being paid for this, but I really like it. And you know, whatever I find that I like, that I always try to share with you guys. So it comes with this little cute little water tank, very compact. And you're instructed to use distilled water. So I use distilled water in mine. And this little compact tank goes in this slot right here. Just like that, and you're ready to go. We always go ahead and order extra, like the mop head, to steam the floors. The one that we got has the little pocket inside, and this is so you can put your scented discs in it, and you can order those. I'll show you what it looks like. So they come in little packages like this, and see, it's like a little disc, and that is what you insert into the pocket of the mop head. And when you steam, the place just smells amazing because it's releasing all the fragrance from this little disc. So you just want to go ahead and get your steamer head, open the pocket up, get your disc out, and just slide it right there inside. Just like so. And then you're ready to just flip it over and attach it to the steamer, and you're good to go. When I steam my floors, I put it on the lowest setting, which is the first one right here. I just press the button. If you want to go higher, you just keep pressing it till it goes. but I use the lowest setting for the floors, and you can hear it powering up. And once it warms up, we are ready to go. Now everything is nice, fresh, and clean. So let's go ahead and start putting the items back on the table and just putting the chairs back, and we are good to go. And here we go, guys. Everything is all done. Everything is beautiful, nice, and fresh. Smells amazing in here. But I have one more quick tip before I go. So because I use that little disc inside of the steamer, the place smells amazing. But if not, I have this, it's a Mayor Lemon. It's actually a kitchen refresher that I picked up at Home Sense for 10 bucks. If you have something like that, or they have the nice ones from Bath and Body, just go ahead and lightly mist your curtains. But make sure all the things that you're using, that the smells go together. So just lightly mist your curtains. And as well, I'm going to just mist those as well, and that keeps the room just smelling amazing on and on and on. Alrighty guys, this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate you coming by and checking out this collab. I'd also like to say a special thank you to Miss Bree over there at Bree's Project Book for hosting this amazing collab and for allowing the Dream Team to co-host with her. Go ahead and leave me a comment below, guys, and let me know if any of these cleaning tips were helpful to you that you will incorporate into your cleaning routines. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I really do appreciate you clicking on this video, and I would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you are the first to know when I upload videos such as this. And to all my lovely Penny Pinchers, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your glamorous Penny Pincher, Shalomi, saying bye-bye. Don't forget to check the description box below for the link to my Dream Team Sisters video to get more amazing cleaning tips and best practices.